How to contact crypto.com. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bipin Basnat, and today I'll guide you on how you can contact crypto.com support. Now, how you can do it, at the top right corner of your home screen on the crypto wallet, crypto.com wallet, you'll be able to see the little message icon at the top right corner beside the pay option. You want to simply tap on it, and there you'll be able to head into the live chat option by tapping on send us a message option on crypto.com. So you'll be able to contact them that way, and you'll be able to text them directly with the live chat. Now, the other way is you can head into the crypto.com support on the Twitter, and you can mail them directly. If you tap on their profile, you'll find the mail icon there. If you tap on it there, you'll be able to mail them, or you can contact them at the rate, you can see contact@crypto.com. You can contact them through it. So these are the ways you can contact crypto.com support. If you want to call them directly, you can simply head into your browser and search in for contact.com customer support number, and you'll be able to get the number there. I hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.